Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Oh my gosh, I definitely underestimated the number of attendees today. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Type 1 naman if you're excited to learn about this opportunity, guys. Type 1. So I know you're listening and you're here in the Zoom. We are about to start. Ayan, meron ng isa lang. Isa lang yung excited, guys. O, dalawa. 56 tayo dito. 57. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for being here. I'm so grateful that today is another day na maiprepresent and maishishare ko itong opportunity. So, thank you Lord that we're all here. And kahit Saturday guys, sana dito kayo so di talaga kayo nagpapatalo. Kasi that just proves na lahat tayo gustong umasenso sa life. So, thank you for being here. All right. Okay. So let's start. But before we proceed, I would just like to go over the Zoom rules. So first, please make sure that you're muted throughout the whole presentation. And then, of course, don't be distracted. Give your 100% attention to this opportunity. And if you have any questions, you can ask them later at the end. And yeah, just stay open throughout the whole presentation. All right. Okay. So, before we proceed, pakilala ko muna sarili ko. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anjali Sato, or you can call me Megs. That's my nickname. I'm 22 years old and I'm a BSBA Operations Management graduate from Enderon Colleges. So I just finished my studies last March. Pero sa next month pa po yung March namin for graduation. But yeah, currently I'm done. And now I am a full-time digital entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, and forex trader. And I'm also the founder of my team, Trader League. So I think I saw some here. So hello to my team. All right, so that's me. So if you're wondering why did I choose to do this business or bakit ako nandito? Ay, ayaw mag, ayan. So background, so my parents have been in business or in the affiliate marketing industry for almost 2 decades. So almost that's most of my life actually, because I'm just 22. So, ayan, bata pa po ako, entrepreneurs na sila. So, growing up, I saw how this business was the only reason that transformed our lives for the better. So, dito rin po sila nag-achieve ng breakthrough and ng success. So, when economy presented itself to our family, no doubt, I said to my parents, gusto ko na tong gawin full-time. So growing up, minamentor na talaga nila ako about life, about how to succeed in life, about how to have the proper values in becoming, a good person and a good, to have, how to have the proper mindset and of course to be open-minded and ambitious. Kaya ayun, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip pa about this business and then now I'm here. So I just started, I think 3 months ago, and this is my journey so far. So of course, ang main service naman natin here sa economy is forex trading. So guys, disclaimer, 3 months ago, wala talaga akong alam about forex trading. I tried to learn about it when I was in high school kasi syempre gusto ko rin ng sarili kong money, ganon. Pero unfortunately, walang nangyari kasi I tried to learn on YouTube. Masyadong mahirap for me and I hate numbers, guys. I hate math. So alam ng parents ko yan, lagi akong bagsak sa math dati. So inisip ko na forex is not for me. Pero fast forward to now, look at what I'm doing. I'm always on my phone lang, nagtitrade, nagkakaroon ng sariling money. Guys, these are just some of my trades. So, tignan nyo naman, 1,000 USD in just a one-day trade. So, how much is that? That's 60,000 pesos. Meron din $705, ganun-ganon. So, that's the power na nabibigay sa atin ng economy, especially for someone like me and siguro sa yung mga iba po dito na wala ding alam about Forex. Before I proceed, can I ask po pala kung sino yung mga hindi pa po members ng community dito? Record natin. Type 1, if hindi, hindi, may 1 na pala. Type 2 na lang. If hindi pa po kayo students ng economy. Ayan, hello po Ma'am Madonna, welcome. Hello, ayan, madami din pala. So thank you for being here. Ayan, I'm excited. Okay. Ay, dami. All right. Okay, nice to meet you all. So ayan yung forex trading ko. And if yung mga sa mga hindi pa po students ng economy, if you didn't know, meron din pong affiliate marketing side ang business natin. So madami po talagang pagkakakitaan. So yung affiliate marketing side niyan, may certain ranks po siya. We have 16 ranks overall. Nagsa-start po siya sa apprentice, which is $100 per month. And the highest rank is legend, which is $1 million per month. So guys, lahat po tayo dito sa community, we are on the journey to reach the highest rank, of course. Kasi grabe yun, $1 million per month. Paldong-paldo ka na. So currently me, in just 3 months, I am an Influencer 900. So aside from my daily trades, meron din po akong commissions per month na $900. I'll explain this further later on. All right. So what comes with the rank, of course, is yung commissions na nakukuha natin weekly. So this is my economy account, and this is just a sample check na nakukuha ko every week. I actually just checked minutes before this Zoom started. Kakakuha ko lang ng commission ko this week. Di ko pa siya na-withdraw. Mamaya, let's withdraw it together kasi agad-agad niyo po talaga siyang makukuha. Ayan. And of course, because of my journey so far in economy, I was finally able to go to one of my dream destinations, which is Bali, Indonesia. So I went here last May for my birthday. And ayun, thanks to malaking help po talaga yung economy kasi ayun, nagawa ko po itong travel dream ko. So, yung parents ko po kasi one thing they taught me na I can go anywhere I want kasi gala po talaga ako, bata pa lang. I can go anywhere I want as long as I have my own money. O ngayon, pinakita ko sa kanila, meron na. So, pinayagan na nila ako. So, ito pong picture sa gitna, I was in saan ba to? Uluwatu. So, nasa pool and nasa beach resort po ako niyan. Habang nagsiswimming, nagtitrade tayo. Ayan. Tapos actually, may kinakausap din ako nung time na yun. Nag-EBP din. Ayan. So, this is just proof na very convenient and very diverse po itong business natin. Kasi you can do it anywhere. Ayan. And of course, this is my greatest achievement so far kasi of course, we have our own team. So shout out to Trader League. Ito po sila. And last May 31, if I'm correct, nag-grand launch po ang economy here in the Philippines. Kasi po, di ba, US-based itong business natin. And last May, they officially welcomed the Philippine economy team here in the Philippines sa SMX. So it's a big deal, guys, kasi ito, if you can see the picture in the middle, that's our very own CEO, Mr. Hassan Mahmoud. And siya po mismo pumunta here along with the top leaders from UK, Dubai, saan pa ba? US. They went here para po ma-meet nila personally ang ibang community ng economy. So, ayan po, nag-awarding din po doon. So, lahat ng mga top leaders sa team namin na nagka-award sa event. Ito din po, the picture on the right, that's Mentor Sunny and Mentor Wolfie. So si Mentor Sunny, he's one of our top mentors also, and sila po ng asawa nila, si Mentor Raj. They're here in the Philippines and they will stay here for 4 more months para po makontinue i-mentor ang mga Philippine team. So ba't ko sinasabi yun? Because that proves na we are all one big community. So even if you have your own group, pwede pa rin po talaga kayong makihalubilo sa iba and ask for guidance, for mentorship, because we are all in just one community. Ayan. So now, if you're wondering, ano nga ba ang Forex? So Forex involves buying and selling currencies. So ano ba ang currencies? So each country naman po, di ba, may currencies. Tayo po, ang currency natin is Philippine peso. Merong ding US dollars, Japanese yen, British pound, and also we also trade actually gold. So that's XAU USD. So forex trading involves analyzing on the value of one currency against another kasi pairs po yan. So for example, euro versus US dollars, so that's your USD. So for example, if a trader believes na yung euro magse-strengthen siya against the US dollars, they will buy the euro USD pair. And if you believe naman na magse-strengthen yung dollar, you will sell the your USD pair. Ayan. So that's the short gist of what Forex is. So ito rin po ang largest financial market in the world. The Forex market is unparalleled in size compared to other financial markets, such as the stock market. So meaning it's the largest financial market in the world. So for example, yung New York Stock Exchange, ang daily trading volume lang niya is 200 billion lang. Malaki na yung $200 billion. Pero ang forex market, it approximately trades $6.7 trillion each day. $6.7 trillion. Kasi guys, fun fact actually. If you count 1 million, 1 million seconds, it will take you 11 days. If you count 1 billion seconds, it will take you 31 years. So what more if trillion ang pinag-uusapan? So ano gagawin natin sa $6.7 trillion na yan? Ang meaning lang nun is there is a high level of activity in the forex market, which means madaming players. Hindi lang po tayong average traders, pati na rin po ang banks, financial institutions, corporations, and governments. Ayan. So, because of this, of course, global market siya. It's conducted over the counter or OTC across major financial centers worldwide. And it is also the first liquid market in the world. This means na wala po tayong binibentang physical goods, physical products, because it's all about money lang, the funds, which you can do on your phone. So yung forex market po, it operates 24 hours, 5 days a week. So for example, when trading ends in New York, nagbebegin siya sa Tokyo, tapos sa London. So continuous cycle po siya, 24/5. And of course, this allows trading to happen anywhere on your smartphone. So laptop, iPad, computer, pwede po talaga kayo mag-trade. So grabe po yung business na to, very high-tech. Hindi na kailangan lumabas kasi kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede ka nang kumita. 'Di ba? Maganda po, 'di ba? Galing. Galing talaga. Ayan. So very convenient business siya. And as mentioned, involved din rin po dito yung government, central banks, and financial institutions. Ayan. So yung mga government po, they regulate forex trading to ensure transparency and protection against fraud. So madami rin pong protection and parang legal rules to protect all the traders in forex trading. Ayan. So, paano ba talaga yung forex or paano siya nangyayari? So, profit comes from buying low and selling high. I'll give you an analogy. So, let's say last year, ang conversion ng $1 is 55 pesos. Let's say, pumunta ka sa money changer stores, gusto mo lang ng US dollars, sawa ka na sa Philippine peso. So, meron kang 5,500, binigay mo sa money changer, and you exchanged it for $100. Fast forward to 1 year later, kasi naisip mo na di mo naman pala nagagamit yung US dollars dito sa Philippines. So, wala din kwenta. So, gusto mo nang ipalit ulit. So, babalik ka sa money changer. So, 1 year later, lucky for you, tumaas ang conversion. $1 is now equivalent to 58 pesos. So, magkano po yung taas nun? 3 pesos. So, pag pinalit mo na yung $100, ang mababalik na sa'yo, hindi na 5,500 kasi tumaas na nga eh. So, ang makukuha mo na ngayon is 5,800 pesos. So, magkano yung profit natin, guys? Sino magaling sa math dyan? Dapat pala di ko nilagay dito yung sagot. 300 pesos ang profit mo. So, ganun lang siya. Ang difference lang now is, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng money changer stores kasi nagagawa mo na siya sa phone. Tsaka hindi mo na din kailangan mag-wait ng 1 year. Ayan. So, maganda ba guys ang forex trading? Type 3. Hanggang 1 to 10 tayo dito. Type 3 if maganda. Ayan. Alright. So, sino ba ang nagte-trading? So, basically, anyone na may phone, pwede mag-trade. We have entrepreneurs, business owners, kahit may sarili na silang mga businesses, nagtitrade pa din sila. Bakit? Kasi compared mo, if madami kang pera tapos ilalagay mo lang sa bank, di ba may interest naman din sa bank pero maliit. So yung iba, they opt na i-trade na lang kasi para mas mabilis ang angat ng money. We also have employees, professionals, students like me, unemployed, retired individuals, and also pandemic-affected individuals na naghahanap ng ibang mas stable source of income. So, ano lang, story lang. So, alam ko madami sa ating na-affect ng pandemic, pero yung grand upline natin, si Mentor Edsel, siya po nagte-trade sa bahay. So, continuous pa din yung money niya. So, syempre, lahat din tayo gusto ng ganon. And that's what we're here for. Ayan. So, because believe it or not, Forex trading is the new normal. Kasi grabe na po yung technology today. And, ba't naman po tayo magpapahuli sa gantong opportunity? Ayan. So, how do we start? And that is where economy comes in, guys. So, economy, ang home base po niya is Los Angeles, California, USA. Pero, ang mga students po nito, worldwide. So, we have top leaders and top members in the UK, Dubai, Canada, and also countries in Africa. Tapos, syempre din po, Philippines here sa Asia. And then soon, the Philippine team will be having a tour sa ibang countries and sa ibang parts ng Philippines para po mas ma-share ang business na to. So this is our founder and chief executive officer, which is Mr. Hassan Mahmoud. So we personally met him also last May nung grand lunch. So he's a financial expert. He has multiple 9 figures in global sales, spoken and trained in 62 countries. So super sipag na tao, and instead na mag-relax na lang siya sa kanya na lang ng money niya, he's dedicating his life to help thousands learn the power of passive income. He's also been featured in Forbes. So this is a major ano ba tong Forbes magazine. Ganon. So he said that I created economy to help the average person learn financial literacy and create a future for their families without having to solely rely on a job or the government. So that's how you know na yung foundation po ng business natin, it's based on good vision, good morals, good values. That's how you know na you're in the right community, you're on the right path. Kasi yung purpose ng business is to help people. So ano ba ang product services ng economy? So we have ECA, which is Economy Calibrate Academy. So this is a video trading academy kung saan you will learn Forex fundamentals. You will also get coaching from experienced traders, live weekly Q&A sessions, and available din siya in many languages. So when you're an economy student po in your account, ma-access niyo po yung mga videos na to. Sobrang dami. You will learn about Forex, crypto, stocks. Pero ngayon po, focus ako sa Forex. So, ayan po, madami pong from beginners, best for beginners talaga siya. Kasi if na-try nyo na po before, mag-search kayo sa YouTube, madami po talagang information na mind-boggling. So, here po sa ECA, sa economy, complete na po lahat. And this is one of the best services. And we also have Solex. So, what is Solex? So, imagine Facebook, but for traders. So, ang nakikita natin dun sa app is mga trading signals from expert traders. So, you will receive a phone alert. Tapos, yung mga trading signals po dun, ikaw na lang mag-decide if gusto mong i-trade. Copy-paste lang po talaga siya. I'll show you later. And one of the favorite services is Manara. So, Manara is an AI tool. So, this will help save time scanning the markets. I'll show you later. Excuse me. So, you can make trades directly on mobile and laptop. Ayan. So, ito po yung ECA, guys. This is an example of your account. So, when you log in, you will access these videos. Madami po yan. Like this. So, you will start with Mastering Forex, how to make profits in the world's largest financial market. Tapos step 2, step-by-step guide to making your first Forex trade, tips and strategies for success. So, madami pong videos dyan and wag po kayo matakot kasi mga 1 to 5 minutes lang po talaga yung videos na to. Like this one, 3 minutes, 1 minute. So, madali pong matuto, hindi kayo ma-overwhelm sa mga information. Tapos aside from that, as mentioned, may mga live webinars din po yung mga top traders kung saan nagtuturo sila how to analyze the market. Tapos kung magte-trade sila, pwede rin tayo makisabay. So sobrang beneficial for us, especially sa mga walang alam about Forex. Ayan. So this is the Solex app. So it's a trading community platform. Ito po yung app, para lang siyang Twitter actually. Pero ang pinopost dito is yung mga trading signals. So ayan po, for example, British pound versus US dollar. Tapos ito po yung entry. Tapos may mga TP1 dyan, TP2. For example, ito TP1 hit plus 50 pips. TP2 hit plus 100 pips. So grabe po yung mga winning rates ng mga trading signals natin here in the economy. And then, this is Manara. Ito po yung AI. So guys, ang ginagawa ng AI, ina-analyze na niya yung market for us. So for me, personally, hindi ko pa masyadong gaano kapayo yung market. Parang, kasi may pattern po talaga yung market eh. So, ang ginagawa ng AI na to, ng Manara, pinapadali yung buhay natin. So, best for tamad talaga to. Kasi sasabihin na lang niya, okay guys, buy now. Ito yung entry mo, 171. Tapos TP mo, 170. Ano meaning ng target 1? Kapag bumaba yung market sa 170, may pera ka na, profit. O pag tumuloy pa yung pagbaba sa 169, profit ulit yun. So, ina-analyze na niya for you. Lahat po ng currencies, ina-analyze niya every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. So, complete na po ito. Very handy, especially for me. So, minsan if gusto ko pa mag-trade, dito na po ako kay Manara. Ayan. So, maganda po ba guys yung services natin here? Type 4. Ayan, type 4. Beneficial po ba? Ayan. That's good to know, guys. Okay. So, lucky for us, hindi tumitigil doon yung services ng economy. Guys, grabe talaga sa economy. Greedy siya in a way na ayaw niya na isang source of income lang yung makukuha natin. Gusto niya madami. Ayan. So, we also have Defiverse. So, itong Defiverse for crypto naman po ito. So, if you want to do crypto, you will get crypto expert ideas, analysis, live streams, and education then. And of course, yung signals. So, yung economy naman po kasi, di ba, nagbibigay talaga sila ng signals. And that is what we're paying for also. So, every day or weekly, may trading signals, tatlong trading signals na nagbibigay sa atin, si Manara, si Obits, and si Plutos. So, nagbibigay po sila ng trading signals in all currencies also. So, these are real people, hindi po sila AI, pero they are top experienced traders na po. So, si Obits, he's been trading for 14 years. And then, grabe po itong lalaking to, dedicated talaga. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, nagla-live siya para magturo. Magsa-scout together, ituturo niya paano siya nag-a-analyze, ganon. So, if sa YouTube lang, hindi nyo talaga makukuha yung ganyang analysis. Kasi here, tuturuan talaga kayo para matuto din kayo for yourself. Ayan. So, ito po yung copy and paste trades. Pag nag-send na sila ng signals, pupunta lang tayo sa phone natin, sa MetaTrader 5. Ita-type lang natin, tapos magkaka-profit na tayo. Pero of course, guys, disclaimer, we do not always promote naman yung profits. Syempre naman po, sa lahat ng bagay, meron ding mga loss. So, ano yung saying dun? Past results do not guarantee future results. Ganon. Ayan. So, ito po yung sample ng mga trading signals. When you're a student, you will access the link to these group chats, and then isa-send na po nila yan sa inyo. So, for example, si Manara, sell XAUSD, ito yung entry, SL, TP1, TP5, ayan, TP1, up 30 pips. Ayan, guys. tapos 3 pa yung nagbibigay sa atin, tas may AI pa tayo. So dapat, ang dami na talagang signals na nagsisend sa'yo, tapos natututo ka pa. Ayan, ito naman po si Obits. This week lang. Ayan, so nag-send siya ng trade. Ayan, XAUSD just hit TP5. Imagine yung signal niya umabot ng sobrang taas. So, if sinundan mo yun from the start, grabe na yung profit mo nun. Tapos, as mentioned, nagpo-Forex live day trading and scalping siya. So, that's weekly, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Para po matuto tayo lahat. And also, may binary din siya. Ayan. So, ito po ang weekly results natin here in economy. So, Plutos also is another person, another expert trader na nagbibigay ng trading signals, and this is his winning rate. So, winning rate of 87.50%, guys. Sobrang taas niyan. Kasi sa iba, may mga nakausap ako na nakapag-try din ng Forex before, mga winning rate nila 60%. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, pero sa atin, 87%. Lahat ng currencies. Isa lang to, si Plutos lang yan. What more kay Manara, kay Obits, sa AI, sa Solex, or sa mga ibang community nyo dyan na natututunan din, tapos nagsisend ng signal sa group chat. Ayan, di ba? Napakagaling. Here also, we have economy results. So, mga winning rate niyan per week, 85%, 74%, 99 trade ideas, 126 trade ideas. So, this is very good on our part, especially as members of economy. And of course, what comes with economy is the community. Ayan, so this is one of the best, of course, kasi tulungan po talaga here in our business. So ito po si Mentor Edsel, he's our grand upline here. And then gumawa po, meron po silang office in Pasig, kung saan lahat po tayo pwede mag-join to learn, to meet with others, and of course, para to learn more about Forex. Ayan. So this is our team po. Last week, nag-workshop kami, nagpaturo kami. Paano ba mas maging profitable pa? Ayan. And this is just last night, guys. So, ito po ang super team or basically economy team PH. So, last night po nagka-workshop about goal setting. So, this just proves na hindi lang tayo about puro ano dito, puro pera. Pero kasi tinetrain din tayo ng mga step-by-step guide kung paano maging disciplined, how to have the proper mindset in life, you know? So very diverse ang tinuturo sa atin dito kasi when you're with the right people, when you're with the right like-minded people na ang nasa isip din is of course to succeed in life, umasenso, well, wala ka nang ibang pupuntahan but to succeed. 'Di ba? Tama po? Ayan. Next. So, of course, we also have results. So, ito po yung sa team namin. Grabe po, ito, the first phone, the first phone picture. Ito po, nag-send siya sa group chat ng results niya. Day 2 ng live trading. Kakapasok ko lang din po sa economy. From $100 to 519. 419 profit ng 2 days. Thanks, economy. Oh my gosh. Actually, ako nagulat din dito. Like, ha? Day 2 pa lang. $400 na agad yung kita niya. 'Di ba? Tapos ito din, sobrang sulit talaga kahit zero knowledge pa, panalo ka. Buti na lang nakapag-decide agad. Thank you, economy. Ito naman po, buti na lang di kami nagdalawang isip gawin to. Very thankful sa opportunity na to, sa mga mentors sa likod nagtuturo ng mga signals na exclusive sa part na team na ito. Tapos guys, yung mga taong to, wala din silang alam about Forex before. We just presented, this is what we're doing. Tapos, gusto din nila matry. And then, next thing I know, kumikita na sila ng sobra-sobra. Di ko nga sinabi na laging mag-update, nagugulat na lang ako na ganito na pala yung results nila. So, ito po, nakapag-grocery, alam mo yung daily withdraw ata to si Ma'am Jenny. Tapos, nag-grocery na lang siya. Ayan, ito recent lang to, nag-trade kami, pinang-grocery ng asawa ko agad. Very helpful and thankful sa less capital lang namin, nakabalik agad, plus may profit pa. And this is all because of economy's product services. Kasi binibigay na sa atin lahat, everything we need to to learn and to be profitable in this business. So, very grateful din na ginawa akong one of the tools na makapag-help and makapag-share ng ganitong opportunity. Ayaw mag-next. Ayan. So, since economy is like a school, syempre may enrollment fee din naman po siya. So, ang makukuha dito is everything na diniscuss ko kanina. So, you will get your own account on the website, your affiliate academy, webinar trainings. So, that includes yung Manara, Obits, Plutos, Solex, tapos pati na rin po yung mga workshops ng teams
Wait for
natin.
now.
Tapos, daily trading signals. Ito rin po pati yung AI trading tools ni Manara. Ayan. So, lahat po ng nasabi ko kanina, part na po yan of only, di ko pala nasabi, $149, guys. $149. How much is that now? How much is that today? I think 8,700. Ay, pwede po pakimute. Ayan. So, with only $149, that's 8,700 pesos, guys. Ma-access nyo na lahat ng na-share ko sa inyo so far. Compared natin yan sa ibang workshops outside na nagsa-start sa 85,000, 100,000. Tapos, ang makukuha mo lang doon is yung basics lang about Forex. Wala kang makukuha trading signals, wala kang community, mag-isa ka lang doon. Tas 100K pa, 100K pesos. Here naman with just 80,000, you will get so many more benefits. As mentioned, like itong mga educational materials, webinars, AI trading tools, daily trading signals, and of course, yung community. That's what we get with just $149. So, sulit na po ba, guys? Pa-type naman dyan ng 5. Number 5 na ba tayo? Number 5, if this is such a great opportunity, sulit-sulit na. Ayan. Grabbing number 5 yan. Okay. So, of course, if nagugustuhan nyo na po yung mga services ng economy, may monthly renewal fee din po of only $99. So, if alam niyo po yung Netflix, if nakasubscribe kayo doon or sa Spotify, so sa Netflix, syempre po monthly may subscription doon para po yung pagnood natin ng mga movies, continuous pa rin po yung mga kanta, mga marinig nating songs. Dito din po because, am I unstable? Clear pa ba ako, guys? Okay. So here naman din po, with just $99, continuous pa din po yung mga benefits and services na that you will get with only just $99. So you're paying for the education, the benefits, the privileges, the community. And of course, sharing is caring. So let's say, syempre kasi pag kumikita ka na dito, hindi mo maiwasang mag-share. Magpo-post ka talaga dyan. Ipo-post mo, my trading signal for today, $100. For sure, may magtatanong dyan, how to join, ganon. So, syempre, hindi ka naman madamot. Sasabihin mo, ito, economy, kakastart ko lang, pero ito na yung mga trades ko, mga profit ko. Tapos, hindi mo naman sinasadyang sumali din siya, sinashare mo lang, kinikwento mo, tapos nag-join na din pala siya. Ang makukuha mo doon is $50 or 2,800 pesos profit. Just by sharing and, helping others. Kumikita ka din. What happens if tatlo na yung na-invite mo? So 50, 50, 50, that's how much? 200. Joke. 150, guys. 150 kayo naman. May $150 ka na per person na na-invite mo. Automatic, you will become an apprentice. And what comes with the apprentice rank? A $100 monthly payout. Okay. Okay, so compute po natin yan, guys. 150 plus 100. Ala, bakit 150 plus 100. Ganun ang kikitain mo. Pa-type naman po dyan. Magkano ang ikikita mo in just 1 month? May nauna, top 1 na natin siya. Miss Madonna, 250, yes. Ayan, so, kasi each person na na-enroll mo, may $50 ka, tas tatlo pa sila, 150. Tas sabi ni economy, parang kulang yan, you deserve more. Oh, may $100 monthly payout ka pa. Weekly payout, $25. So, as mentioned, grabe po, madamot si economy in a way na gusto niya kumita ka pa ng malaki. And just by sharing this business. So napakaganda po ng ganitong opportunity. O let's say na yung students mo, yung tatlong students, nag-invite din sila. Tapos to the point na naging 20 na yung total students mo. So not necessarily po na ikaw yung mismong nag-invite, kahit yung mga students mo na po yun. Tapos meron ka lang 10 sa left, 10 sa right. Automatic, you will become an influencer 500 with a monthly payout of $500. $500. 29,415 in just 1 month. In the world today, sobrang laki na po niyan, di ba? 30,000 pesos. Grabeng tulong na po yan sa atin. Especially for me, na dito pa naman ako wala pa akong binabayarang rent, ganun-ganon. So, nakapag-help na din po ako sa house, finally, with my parents. Ayan po. And the more you go on with this journey, the more na-enjoy niyo yung services ng economy na i-share natin sa ibang tao na kapag help tayo ng mga lives. To the point na pataas ka na pala ng pataas, tapos legend ka na, $1 million. So far, in the whole world, lahat ng nag-economy sa buong mundo, wala pang nakaka-achieve ng legend. Maybe someday, isa po sa inyo ang makaka-achieve niyan. 'Di ba? Ang highest now po, I believe, is Icon 250. Kasi last grand launch nung May, they were here po, sina Suhail and Alicia. Sila po yung Icon 250, they earn $250,000 per month. 250,000. Ayoko na yung compute sa pesos, ang daming numbers. Basta yun, $250,000 sa commissions lang. Ayan. So, lahat po tayo here in our community, we are on our journey to achieving this certain level of financial literacy, and of course, lahat naman po tayo gusto natin ng financial freedom, time freedom. Kasi of course, we want na yung money natin nag-work din for us. Hindi lang tayong laging nagtatrabaho para sa money. Ayan. So what comes with the commissions, of course, is the weekly and monthly check. Actually now, as promised, guys, wait lang. Sasali po ako sa Zoom, mag-share po ako ng screen, at tayo po ay magwi-withdraw ng commissions. Let me join. 818-0244-2706. Joining lang po, guys. EA 2024. Ayan. Tapos, magwi-withdraw tayo ng commissions ko. Para makita nyo na ayan. So, punta economy natin. Ay, hindi pala ako naka-share screen. Wait lang. I will share my screen on my phone. Make co-host. Ay, wait lang guys. Sorry. I'll share my ano na lang. My whole screen sa laptop. Ayan. Ay, bakit nasa YouTube? Ayan, tagal. Wait lang guys, sorry. Do I have access? Co-host. I can't share my screen on my phone. I can. Okay. Ayan guys, can you all see my screen? Ayan. Okay, so I will now log in on my economy account. Tapos, home. Ito po yung example. This is the official economy account. So if you will be a student, this is what you will see. So economy wallet, go to details. And then as of now, I have 225 total amount. So withdraw po natin yan. Transfer to crypto, e-wallet, 225. Mabagal ang wifi. Ayan. Withdrawal request successful. Transfer to my account, $222. Punta po tayo sa Taiga ko. Tapos magre-reflect siya doon. Mabagal ang phone. Ayan. Ayan guys, nag-reflect na here. Pending credit economy, $222. Ayan, so palakpakan po tayo dyan guys. Yay! So that is one of the many, as mentioned, madami po talagang opportunities here. So sobrang ganda po talaga. So I'm very excited for everyone na makapag-withdraw din ng ganito. So of course, one day, makapag-withdraw din tayo ng $1 million. Baka nga di na kayanin ng account natin yan sa sobrang laki. Ayan. I'll stop my screen. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. So sobrang ganda po, 'di ba? So ito po si Mentor Edsel and si Mentor Cathy. So sila po ang mentors natin here, Icon 15 guys, $15,000 per month sa commissions. Tapos ayan po yung mga trading signals niya din. Ayan, nagwi-withdraw siya, 12,700 US dollars, $3,750. So, ito po, mayaman na po ito eh. Hindi na actually nila kailangan to. Pero, what did they decide to do? They decided na they will continue to work so they can help more people and transform their lives na parang umasenso din sa life. So, napakabait po ng couple na to and that's why we're here today because team po na nag-organize mga ganitong workshops kasi po syempre para mas mapawalak ang network natin para mas makatulong na madami. Ayan. And then this is my very own team. So of course, guided by our mentors na nag-help po sa ating lahat. To the point na sila rin po nakakapag-achieve na ng ganito in just 1 or 2 months. So now, our team, meron na po kaming 16 members with ranks and they all just started just 1 or 2 months ago. Tapos lahat din po sila wala ding alam sa Forex. But because dedicated sila to, to make their lives better, naniwala sila sa vision ng business na to, na malaki yung impact nila. So of course, naging open-minded sila sa opportunity na yan and look where they are now. They already started their journey towards being financial free for themselves, for their families. And of course, we all want na tayo ding lahat makapag-achieve ng ganon. Because here po, ayan, so ito yung top 10 countries. So top 10 countries in economy. So yung Philippines last February, top 9 tayo. Kasi syempre, di tayo nagpapatalo. For May, naging top 4 na tayo. Last year, 1,000 members lang ang nasa economy. But as of today, we already have 3,000 people. And top 4 pa tayo sa buong mundo in economy. Kasi palaban tayong mga Pinoy. Gusto natin top tayo. Yes, soon top 1 guys. I know everyone here has the passion for it, has the drive for it, has the proper discipline for it. Pag nagtulungan po tayong lahat dito, top 1 na tayo dyan. Walang-wala na yung ibang countries dyan. Competitive. Ayan. So, because at the end of the day, ang goal natin is to help 10,000 Filipino families by the end of 2024. So personally, me, I'm part of that. I'm one of the 10,000 Filipino families na currently natutulungan na ng economy. And of course, we want by the end of the year, 10,000 Filipino families. And as I'm seeing right now, with our community, grabe po talaga yung drive nila, yung sipag, yung ambition nila to achieve this goal. And wala na po tayong mapupuntang iba except to success. So I hope na malinaw na po sa inyong opportunity na to, and I hope you got to learn a lot. So thank you so much everyone for your time today. Yes, marami na yayaman. That's what we all want. So palakpakan naman po tayo lahat. Because you all made the time here. The fact na you guys are here, that means na soon top leaders na din tayo. Soon kayo na din po yung mga nagrepresent here. Kayo na yung mga pinapraise ng mga tao. Thank you so much also, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Gubaba pa sa thermotate kakayanin. Yes! Thank you, guys. Ay, wait lang po. Picture po muna tayo. Don't leave yet. I will stop share. If you can open your cameras, everyone. Wait. How do I close the chats? Ayan, okay. Sa mga hindi naka-on cam, mag-on cam na kayo. Joke. Okay, smile everyone. First, oh my gosh, we have 4 slides. First slide muna. Smile, guys. Ayan, wait lang. Second slide. Smile, everyone. Okay, third slide. Smile. Okay, last slide. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Thank you guys so much for your time here. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Angelique.
Thank you po. Thank you po, Coach.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Thank
afternoon,
you.
everyone. Happy trading!
Enjoy your day, guys. Ay, kalimutan ko i-shoutout. Pa-follow po ako sa Facebook. Angelisa.
Thank you.
Sige po. Sige po, Coach.
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.